Hello. In this video, I will show you how to turn off quick chat in Among Us. Now, it's a very easy process. And you can do this on all the devices like iOS, Android and computer. So, what you have to do is, firstly go to the play option. Then, depending on what you want to play, let's say for example, online. Over here, once you will join any group, you will have the option to turn off quick chat. Like for example, in the public section. In the chat type, you will have free chat and quick chat. By default, if quick chat is selected, just choose free chat. And just like that, if you're doing a host game, you will have the option of the chat type right over there as well. Just simply click on it and change it from quick chat to free chat. And in the private match as well, you will have the option of quick chat and free chat. Simply choose free chat right over here. So after that, enter the code and you're all good to go. Now, if you want to start a match in a local version, so go to the local option. And then, depending on the available games that you have, like for example hide and seek, now over in the local game, unfortunately you will not have any option to change either quick chat or free chat. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.